In what can be termed as an alarming development, Meghalaya Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh has informed that drug trafficking routes have increasingly shifted to Meghalaya, largely due to the unrest in neighbouring Manipur. Well, Lyngdoh said that the instability in Manipur has redirected drug trade activity into Meghalaya, taking advantage of its proximity to the Golden Triangle. In response, the Meghalaya government is intensifying efforts to combat the growing drug menace. Lyngdoh announced plans to visit New Delhi to brief the central government on the severity of the issue and ensure that the leadership is fully informed of the scale of drug trafficking occurring in the state.
We are bent upon eradicating drug menace in Meghalaya. The unfortunate thing is because of our strategic location very close to the Golden Triangle and the fact that the unrest in Manipur has led to a shift of the trade from that particular area to Meghalaya. That is a major challenge. I will be visiting the national capital briefly and make sure that the leaders in the government of India are well briefed about the seriousness and the scale of drug trafficking that is happening in the state.
As part of these efforts, the government has appointed F.G. Karshing, a retired IPS officer and former commandant of the 6th Battalion MLP, Umrand Camp Shillong, as the mission director of the Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission. Well, the initiative aims to significantly reduce and eventually eradicate the drug problem in the region.
Yes, they are aware, in fact, which is why now the ANTF is being strengthened. The DREAM mission now will have Mr. F.G. Karshing, retired IPS, as mission director. So we are making a lot of moves to ensure that we are able to first reduce and then eradicate the problem.
The Anti-Narcotics Task Force is also being strengthened with plans to establish village defense parties in vulnerable areas. Many Darbar Shnongs are currently in the process of forming these VDPs. Paul Lyngdoh further stated.
Initiative to address the drug issue, no meetings are being held.
There is
level.
a lot of things is happening which may not be visible to your naked eyes, but a lot of the Vaishnavas are in the process of constituting VDPs. The lull that is happening is because in Shillong city proper, there are just 11 legally constituted VDPs. Most of the areas which fall under high-risk zones do not have these VDPs. When they don't have them, there is no backup of the law, and most of the times they end up getting frustrated because they have to keep appearing in court. They are dragged into cases. FIRs are lodged against Rongbat Shnongs and Darbar Shnongs. So all of that will be substantially reduced once we have the VDP in place, because it is a legal framework backed up by the law and which works in tandem with the police department.